say something else. Come on. Good morning, and my name is Tam. I'm the owner of the Surfing Lizard. Today, I'm gonna introduce you to all of our juniors that we employ for the weekend. Okay, who start first?
My name is Jordan,
How old are you?
14.
Hi, my name's Brianna. I'm 14 years old and I'm turning 15 next month.
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Victor. I'm 14 years old, soon to be 15.
Hi, I'm Genevieve. I'm 17 years old.
Tallulah.
And how old are you?
I'm 17, turning 18 in 2 months.
I'm Tequila, 14.
My name's Kyson. I am 16, just turned it this year.
Hi, my name is Cubby. I'm 15 years old.
Yeah.
I will turn 16 this October.
Hi, I'm Georgia, 16.
Hi, my name is Alani. I'm 21 years old tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Happy birthday tomorrow.
Thank you.
That's why I got day off tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
Saturday as well.
congratulations. Tyson. Tyson. Oh, Jin. Jinabi. Come here. They've been hiding away.
Hi, I'm Claudia. I'm 14 years old.
Jeez. I can't believe I employ a lot of staff. It's been half an hour on the camera already. Come on.
I'm Jaden. I'm 19.
Okay, last one. Also the most important one.
So my name is Johnny, as many of you guys should have known, because I've been working for Surfing Lizard ever since I was a little boy. So around 16, I started working here as a barista, and yeah.
I've been working at Surfing Lizard for 4 to 5 months.
I started at the surfing lizard 3 weeks ago.
I've been working here for almost a year now.
I've been working at the Surfing Lizard for about 3 months now, and it's actually really good.
About 6 weeks.
6 weeks. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
I've been working here since last year, I would say maybe October, November.
I'm working here for about 2 to 3 months.
I've been working here for 4 weeks, so
4 weeks only.
about a month.
More than 2 years. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Yeah.
I've been working here for over a year.
A week now.
Here I do
Dishes,
Washing dishes,
What's this shit?
Cleaning dishes, wiping tables, taking out drinks and food, taking in plates and dishes.
serving food, doing the till.
I've been clearing the tables, giving people their food and drinks.
There's bringing in table numbers.
Cleaning tables.
Yeah, cleaning tables.
Pretty much you do everything.
Cleaning kids' area, everything basically.
And are you a good kid?
Yeah,
You think so or you know so?
I know so.
You know so.
Yeah.
I get people's numbers, I serve them, I clean up the kids' playground. I do pretty much a lot.
serving customers, taking in plates, cleaning around the whole area.
How are you again? 14.
Yeah, 14.
Clean food and make smoothie milkshake.
Taking dirty dishes in and taking food and drinks out. I've been cleaning the dishes sometimes. I've been taking...
I mainly make coffees, some drinks, and take orders as well. Just basically everything.
And I am a sous chef in the kitchen.
He's a sous chef in the kitchen and he's only 19.
Barista, and teaching the kids new things.
So front of house manager.
Front of house kind of thing, yeah.
How Tam?
Tam is the best boss ever. He's helped me. He's very polite. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, you're very, very good boss. You're
on,
very
come on,
friendly.
keep going.
You're very, very friendly, and I like to talk to all the staff members.
And yeah, Tam's a great boss.
It's a really good place to work at. Everyone's really friendly and yeah, it's a good environment.
Did you have a lot of experience before you started working?
No, I had no experience.
Did we teach you? We show you how to do?
Yeah, you showed us how to do
Are we
everything.
friendly here?
Yeah, very friendly.
Do you like the job?
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Is it your first job?
Yeah,
Do you like it?
yes I do.
I'd say this is a pretty good job, especially for a first job. Pretty simple and it's got good money compared to other places that hire young people.
It's a nice environment to work at. It's always positive and I like it.
Busy enough
Busy enough, yeah.
compared to a lot of places?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot busier?
Yeah. Really fun one.
Big
System is
place
easy
to learn.
to learn, yeah.
Working in Surfing Lizard is just like family kind of thing. So you see the same customer every day. It's give you a friendly environment. Yeah, and new experience for everything. The system works smoothly. Everyone helping each other, teamwork. Yeah.
Really nice.
Very nice. Say something else. Come on. You're getting a lot of hours here.
Yeah, I am getting a lot of
You've
hours.
been making a lot of money here.
Yeah, lots of money.
Lots of money.
Yeah.
You know how much you're getting paid today?
No.
You're getting paid $24 to $25 an hour today.
Yeah, so
You
that's
know why?
why.
Because today's public holiday.
Oh, yay!
Yay!
It's really good. Just been saving up
Been saving
at
up?
the moment.
What for?
I don't know, whatever I would like.
You've been making a lot of money?
Yes,
Where you spend all the money to?
I haven't spent much
You haven't
yet.
spent anything.
No.
You save up?
Yeah.
For car?
Probably.
You enjoy working at the Surfing Lizard?
Yeah, I do.
Tell my customer how rich you are.
How rich? I would say decently, you
This
know.
house is in Cottesloe. That is enough.
I mean, it's not like I paid for the house, but like,
I know. And he's a good boy. He's been here for over a year now. I think.
around about
Right.
just less than a year.
Just less than a year.
Yeah. So I'm expecting a raise soon.
You've been making a lot of money from us.
Of course, yeah.
That's lovely.
Of course.
Your mom must be very proud of you.
She better be.
Yeah, it's
Good
good money.
Good money?
Yeah.
You save up or you spend?
Oh, a bit of both.
Be a both? You a good spender?
Yeah.
You good money, yeah.
You know how much you get paid today? You guess.
Today
Today is her first public holiday pay.
probably about 50.
We will see.
We will see, yeah, hopefully.
Come to the Surfing Lizard. It's amazing. The food's amazing.
Been trying a lot of food?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Where you going to spend all the money to?
I don't know yet.
Don't know yet? Oh, you hadn't got the first pay. But soon, next week.
Next week.
Okay?